It's kind of hard to get an angled shot on this, the way all the table's situated and stuff. But before you can put your shaft in, you need to disconnect these wires here. You just take out the screw right here and you know, unhook these wires and move them out of the way. And in theory, you should just be able to drop over the top of this. Oh, see another problem. This wire's in the way here. I kind of bent. Oh, I wonder if I got that backwards. I bent this over, so I can't slide it out very easily. So I gotta get this wire out of the way of right here so I can put the case over the top of it. So let me fix that and I'll be right back. Alright, instead of bending this all around, I just took the screw out that was right here. Just set it aside, and then I can just lift this out of the way. So now let's try putting this on. In fact, that works really good. That gets all these wires out of the way. What's going on is the magnet's kind of sucking it over to the side, making it hard to get in. Oop, there it goes. Not sure. I think it might be hitting the ignition coil. So I'll probably take this out. So here I'll take this off. This just holds on with two screws right here. So I'll take those off and then move this out and put it back together. Of course I don't film it, it shoves right in. So this just drops down in here. See, it's nice and flush. You'll know when you get it nice and seated. All your wires come out this little hole here, and this slot so you can put your ignition coil back in. So now, I got it together. I'm just gonna drop. This is coming out on camera. Fix the angle a little bit. Just gonna drop these little screws in right here. There's 3 of them. I'm just gonna use my screwdriver, put those down, and I'll be right back. Hey, if you ever take your, I don't know what this thing's called, I'll call it my distributor coupler. If you take it off, in my case I marked it, but I accidentally washed off the marks when I was cleaning it, and so I'm not sure how it goes back on. What you want to do is just find the flat side of your shaft here, and I like to point it towards the little square deal just so I have a reference spot. And then flip it over so you know it's pointing towards that square metal tab there. And so don't forget to put your O-rings on. You get 2 of these spacers, not O-rings, spacers, and you just take this flat, well, I call this the flat side because it's got that little line on it, and I'm going to just line it up with the flat side here, so the flat sides go to the flat sides. Now it's not going to be a perfect alignment, but it'll, oops, accidentally moved it. But for the most part it'll be on the same side. So now just drop my roll pin in, if I can get it. I think those washers are kind of making it stick up a little bit. There, I got it in. I'll fight with it off camera. Anyways, so now, ooh, it's pretty tight. So now I point the flat side to there, and I flip it over, and for the most part the flat side's facing the same side. So that's how you get that coupler realigned with your shaft if you take it off. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope this video helps somebody out there. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, and if you subscribe to see more videos that come out. Thanks for watching.